Hello, this is Louis from Esperanto Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to try and do some gaming tests on the my phone Tab 10. Okay, so may nag-comment dun sa previous video ko na gusto niya matest yung Roblox, no? So, in this video, I'm going to try different kinds of games. So, I'll just start with Minecraft. And then later on, I'll try to play a Roblox game, yung Shawarma. Okay? Kung gaano kabilis nagra-run yung laro. Yan. So, I think that's pretty smooth, no? That's at least, uh, ano ba manapak? Nakatakbo ba siya? Yan, no? So, pag lumipat siya ng chunk, mayroon siyang lag, no? Lakad pa tayo na mas malayo para mag-force siya mag-open ng bagong chunk. Okay, pero so far, no, hindi pa naman ako nagkakaproblema ulit. Ayun. Medyo nagkaroon lang siya ng onting lag nung napatay yung sheep. Ayan, naglag din. Pero maliban din sa parts na naglo-load yung bagong chunk, no? Medyo smooth naman yung laro. I think hindi naman siya nagda-drop below 30. So, try lang din natin patayin ulit. Ayun, oh. So this time, no, hindi na siya ah, siguro naglalag siya kapag nag-generate siya ng mga loot or drops from the enemy. Uy, grabe tong world na to. Oh. Sunod-sunod puro sheep. Yan, hindi na siya naglag. Pero dahil XP lang yung binigay niya. Tignan natin kasi mag-drop to ng ng beef. Let's see. Ayun, ay hindi na pala siya naglag, no? So, hindi ko alam exactly kung ano yung nagkukos ng lag spikes niya. Pero so far naman, no? Okay naman yung laro.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the grill. Customer. Great. Now open the window. Let everyone know you're ready.
Yan. So kung nakita nyo naman, I think at least we're running at least 30 FPS.
Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are. And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes.
Alisin to. Okay, so, ayan lang. Humihi na hayop. Okay, ba't hindi siya humihinga? Some customers must not be served at all. Case of unusual or unknown anomalies act according to the circumstances. Assess the threat and take the most reasonable measures. So, ba't siya humihinga? Do. Hold pala dapat. Red meat. Ano pa tayo? Ano meat? Siguro ba't grabe huminga si 3D?
Hot and ready.
Weird, no? Ala sa palayo.
One shawarma and soda. Long day? PH, doctor's appointments, then shopping. My feet are killing me. Understand, total 200. I'll pay by card.
Start with lavage. Sira ulo ko.
Here you go. Finally, at least you don't mess around like the others.
So, that concludes our short gaming test. Uh, Based dun sa previous runs na ginawa ko dito sa my tab T10, no? It was draining around 10% nung max battery niya by like every 30 minutes, no? So, Like kung maglalaro kayo from full charge from 100 tapos you'll continue playing up until 50% na lang yung battery. That's going to last you around 2.5 hours. No, so I think that's a pretty good battery management, no? Kasi pangit din naman na dinidrain natin or pinapalubat natin yung battery. Um, Getting 2.5 hours out of half the battery, I think that's pretty good, no? So, ayun. I hope this video helps you out to decide kung trip nyo si MyTab T10. Kasi ako personally nga, no, hindi ko naman siya madalas ginagamit for games. It's more for just watching. Kaya sa akin, masaya na ako even without doing the gaming test. Pero I also understand na karamihan sa inyo will probably be buying this para may magamit yung mga kids nyo, no? So, again, maganda yung performance niya on some common games na nilalaro ng mga bata like Minecraft and Roblox. And second is maganda rin yung battery life niya. Again, this is Louis from Estimato Solutions, and if you like this video, uh, please follow me. So, start ko lang kasi nitong channel na to, no? And kung meron man kayong mga requests, kung may mga comments kayo, uh, kindly put it down in the comments para malaman ko kung anong mga topics yung trip nyo and kung ano man yung pwede ko ma-improve sa videos ko. Okay. See you on the next video.